I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of preparation of competitive examination. In this video, I'm going to discuss one of the most important topic called directions, and I have selected some questions which are repeated in RRB and SSC. So you can have a look on this question and how I'm going to solve. So please recall some tips which I already discussed in my previous session. So first of all, read the question carefully. A man starts from his house. Suppose a man he's available at his house and walks 4 kilometers towards the north. So first of all, you have to mark the direction. So we have north, then south, we have east, then we have west. This is the basic direction. Suppose a man, he started walking 4 kilometers towards the north. Okay, a person is here. He's going to start 4 kilometers towards the north. Yes, almost how many kilometers? 4 kilometers. Correct. Then turns right. Okay, turns right. Turns right in the sense it will be in the clockwise direction. Turn left in the sense it will be in the anti-clockwise direction. Turns right. Okay, so we'll see like turns right. So how we can mark either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So it will be clockwise only. Yes, turns right and 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers. At this particular point, he's at east. Right now, he's at the east. And okay, okay, 5 kilometers. Okay, then again turns right. Again turns right. Okay, now you have to decide. Right in the sense it will be in the clockwise direction only. Okay, he's turning against right. How many kilometers? 4 kilometers. He's at the right. So we mark like 4 kilometers. At this point of time, he's at south direction. Correct? No. Okay, and walks 4 kilometers. In which direction he is starting at this point? Right now, he is available in which direction? You please check it out. Okay. So now this is the south direction. Now we'll see the answer. Okay. Okay. Now what we can say? In which direction he is starting at a point? Now you can see. So yeah, the man start facing towards the north and walk 4 kilometers, correct? No? Then he turns right towards the east and walks 5 kilometers. Then he rights again, now facing towards the south and walks like 4 kilometers. At this point, he is 5 kilometers east from the starting point. So the answer will be east only. So this is the way how the questions will be asked. Okay, so try to draw the diagrams. Like a man is starting here. Once again, I'm going for your reference. Then he is moving towards, man is facing towards the north and he's facing north and walks 4 kilometers. Okay. He is 4 kilometers he is going to walk. Next, he turns right towards the east. Okay. Now he turns towards the right. Okay. 5 kilometers. Then turns right again facing south. Okay. So 4 kilometers. So we can say like at this point, he is 5 kilometers east. If he is 5 kilometers east from the starting point. Okay. So this is the way how to like answer it in a proper fashion. Now, let me go through another question. Ravi start at a particular point P. Here Ravi is available here and walks 10 kilometers towards the south. So he's walking 10 kilometers. Okay, he's walking 10 kilometers towards the south. Then turns left. Okay, turns left. So he walked at how many kilometers? 10 kilometers, correct? No? Right now he's at which direction? South direction. Now you have to take a decision. Then he turns towards the left. So you know that this is the clockwise direction, and this will be the like anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Now, what I need to go for that? I need to go for the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, I need to go for anti-clockwise direction. So what I'm supposed to do? This is clockwise, this is anti-clockwise. From the south, He turns left. Okay, he turns left and walks 15 kilometers. Turns left in the sense we'll go for anti-clockwise, not clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so 15 kilometers. 15 kilometers. Now he's at which direction? East direction, correct now? Again he turned left. Again he turned left. Again he turned left in the sense it will be in the clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Again he turned it will be in the left only. Okay, so that means it is in anti-clockwise direction. So 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers. Now he's at north direction. Then he turns right and again he's turning right. Okay, he's turning right in a sense we'll go for clockwise direction. So yes, again he turns right and walks 5 kilometers. First of all, you try to draw the schematic diagram. So now we can confirm it. Yeah. Now, what is his direction? Of course, starting at P, now he's at east direction. I think it's clear to everybody. So this is the way how to solve, and the shortcut is available here. Ravi walks 10 kilometers south, then he turns left towards and walk 15 kilometers. He turns left again and walks 10 kilometers. Finally, he turns right and walks 5 kilometers. Ultimately, Ravi is 20 kilometers east. You can count everything. Okay, 10 plus like 10 plus 10, that will be 20 kilometers. Now, another question, just for your reference. A person start walking towards the east. A person is available here. He's walking towards the east. He's walking towards the east. Okay, he's walking towards east. Then he turns 90-degree left. 90-degree left. So remember, this is my clockwise direction and this is my anti-clockwise direction. Okay, here he turns 90-degree left. What is the meaning of 90-degree left? You should go for anti-clockwise direction, not clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction. So how to make out 90-degree left? Okay, this is the anti-clockwise direction. So let me mark like this. Okay. Finally, he turns 90-degree right. 90-degree right in the sense, again, either clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. It will be clockwise direction only. So now it is at the east direction and the box. Which direction he is facing right now? Yes. Now, right now we can see he is facing at the it's clockwise direction only. So there's a minor correction. He's facing at the north direction only. Okay. So look at this person start walking towards the east, then 90-degree left. That means towards north, which I have drawn. Then 90-degree left again towards the west direction. Then finally turns right. That will be towards the north direction. Ultimately, he's facing towards north. So John travels. Next question is John travels 10 kilometers towards the north. The John is available here. 12 kilometers. He's traveling 12 kilometers towards the north. Then he turns right. He turns right in the sense we have anti-clockwise direction. This is your clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. Turns right. He turns right in the sense we'll be going for clockwise direction. He's going in a clockwise direction. That means 5 kilometers. It is east. Then turns left. Turns left. Now we have anti-clockwise direction and a clockwise direction. So now turns left and walks 5 kilometers. Walks 6 kilometers. Okay. Which direction he is facing right now? You can check it up. Of course, he's facing. He's facing towards the north direction only. Okay, north direction. That will be the right answer. The last question for this session. See, a person start walking because this is also very important for your exam point of view. Person start P. P stand for person. He started walking from the point and is 7 kilometers towards the north. He's walking 7 kilometers towards the north. Then he turns right. He turns right. First you right. This is your clockwise direction, and this will be the anti-clockwise direction. Then he turns right in the sense it will be clockwise direction only, and walks 3 kilometers. Walks 3 kilometers. Okay. Uh, he turns right and walks kilometer. Right now it is in the east direction. Again he turns right. Here you are. He's going to take a right. He's going to take a right in the sense clockwise direction. Again he takes right and walks 7 kilometers. Okay, another 7 kilometers. Now he's at the south direction. Finally, he turns left. From here, he's going to turn left. So left in the sense anti-clockwise direction. Correct? No, not clockwise direction. Go for anti-clockwise direction. Left. Okay, left. How many kilometers? 4 kilometers. He's walking 4 kilometers. Uh, how far from which direction in the person from starting point? Of course, he's at east direction right now. So 3 plus 4, 7. Okay, here 3 kilometer. 3 plus 4 will be 4 is available. 3 plus 4 that will be 7 kilometers. The total 7 kilometers is far away. See, 7 kilometer towards east. So let me know if you have any queries. Try to draw the diagram, then you can solve accordingly. Thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly share, like, subscribe, and give the proper comments for our channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Happy learning. Have a great day. Thank you.